Welcome to room 702.
Ooh, la la.
Yeah, desk right here, sofa, table, TV, full refrigerator, stove, microwave, Pringles, chocolates. Let's go to the bedroom.
Not the greatest view. Oh, ocean view though.
Closet, plenty of closet
Ocean
room.
looks beautiful.
Safe, more closet. Ironing board, hangers. There's the ocean. The bedroom. Let's look at the bathroom. Ooh. Nice shower. Some bathrobes. Toilet, bidet. And a phone call in case you need to call the president. What?
Somebody's at the door. You may need tip money.
Go ahead, tip. Oh, there's drinks in here at your own cost. Well, let's see the nightstand plugs. Yep, USB, regular. The best toilet setup. 2 can go at once. 1 keeping going poo-poo, and in case you gotta go in emergency, the pee-pee toilet. Yes. If I have an emergency and you have an emergency, we're good to go.